There's the periodic table, which has all of the elements on it, and the elements are the pieces that everything's made of, and they can find them in the world. They've found them. They find the small ones, and they find the ones that are the air, and also the ones carbon. Lots of things are made of carbon, apparently. Lots of things. And because everything's made of carbon, you can tell how old they are because they know how old carbon is. And if you discover the element, you can name yourself after. You can name an element after you. So, what Einstein, he did one, Einsteinium, and a man called Lawrence, he did one as well, Lawrencium, he did one. And the others is funny names, but maybe they didn't choose after themselves, just something they knew about. Or making up a new word, they decided wanted a new word and they made it that way, like that. But then it's possible, they say, there are other ones still not yet discovered, but they're very, very big. Huge elements, the biggest ones. So, and heavy ones, heavy big ones. So if maybe they haven't been discovered because they are so big, you cannot see them yet, because what they say, hidden in plain sight. Hidden in plain sight. That means it's so obvious that you can't see it. So it's probably somewhere around here, but you can't see it yet because you have to relax enough to be able to see it. And if it's a heavy one, and if it's big, it's probably, I would say it's probably rolled down to the bottom of a hill somewhere. It could be near a river. Down, it's probably because of the sea, because that's the lowest point. So if it's probably rolled down, it definitely won't be in the hills, probably not in Scotland. It's probably rolled down right to the edge of the water. I don't think it would go in the water because that's another element, but if it has, it's very unlikely we'd find it because it could be in the trench with the whale sharks. And then I don't think we can get down there yet because they protect it. But if you relax enough, you might see one, you might discover the one by the channel, by the river, and then you can name it after yourself. So it could be Elizabethium.